South Bend light rain was falling. And 42. In Chicago it was partly sunny. And 42. This is a weekly test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday around noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm transmitted over this and other NOAA radio stations in southern Wisconsin will normally be activated for watches and warnings that affect the following Wisconsin counties: Richland, Vernon, Adams, Juneau, Marquette, Waushara, Winnebago, Calumet, Manitowoc, Sauk, Columbia, Green Lake, Fond du Lac, Sheboygan, Dodge, Washington, Ozaukee, Iowa, Dane, Jefferson, Waukesha, Milwaukee, Lafayette, Greene, Rock, Walworth, Racine, and Kenosha. And the following Illinois counties: Stevenson, Boone, Winnebago, McHenry, and Lake, and all adjacent coastal waters of Lake Michigan. The 11 a.m. weather observations across Wisconsin and nearby states. In Milwaukee, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 42 degrees, the dew point 30.
West 12, 40 to 50, April 3 sunny skies. For tonight, 50 northwest wind and 50. Are used to activate specially designed receivers when warnings or selected watches are issued for potentially dangerous weather situations. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted each Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If any warnings or watches are in effect, or threatening weather is possible, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. Again, this has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and EAS signal. We now return to the regular broadcast cycle.
Up to 20 miles an hour, increasing to 35 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday
Synopsis for the Central California.
Lows 39 to 47. North winds 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts to around 4 in the afternoon. Thursday night, clear, breezy. Lows 42 to 48. North winds 10.
Finally.
Weather radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glenn, Western Plumas, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. The forecast for the Cardenas Street and the Delta area, including Fairfield and Sassoon today: partly cloudy, sunny. Highs 61 to 69. Northwest winds up to 15 miles an hour. Gusts up to 25 miles an hour in the afternoon. Thursday night, clear. Lows 36 to 46. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts to around... conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming.